here we have another session from Law Talkies. Today we have Mr. Ayush Pandey, founder of Juice Corpus Journal. Ayush is an enthusiastic, hardworking, and a law student currently pursuing BBA LLB from Babu Banarasi Das University, Lucknow. He is well known for his hard work and dedication at a very young age. He has several publications on his own name. He works on a fundamental that all your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. So let's have a preface from Ayush himself.
Thank you, Shubham. Firstly, I would like to thank Vikrant and for the team for providing me this opportunity to come and share my views on this starting up in this pandemic and the entrepreneurship during this lockdown.
Yeah. So Ayush, are you ready to have your first talk with Law Talkies?
Yes, quite excited but nervous too.
Yes. So we'll ask a very basic question that how has been your law school journey as of now, and how you are feeling in this law school? You are also handling a journal. So what is your experience till now?
When I was in class 7, it's my to that I should become a lawyer or a judge to pursue a law. Then I opted BBA LLB from BBD University. When I was in the second year, currently I'm in third year. When I was in second year, I have to, which is on crime against women. I went to a journal and sent my paper to various organizations for publication. But there I seen that they are charging rupee 500, 600, 700. Then one thing is start a journal which could provide publication of research paper and articles without any fee. So that's after researching from last 6 months, I started a website named as Juice Corpus in this lockdown. There are a number of people who helped me in making this dream comes true. Mr. Parishkar, Shreyas, our team, Snail, Sakshi, and Pranjal, they helped a lot in coming up with this My Juice Corpus website. The basic purpose behind opening this is that we should provide the legal fraternity, the students who want to publish their papers, articles, blogs, cases with the free of cost, with no registration fee. Like I have suffered when I don't have much money to spend on the publication, but I have to pay due to the requirement of my college rupee 1,000 for publication in journals. But the content of my paper was very good. But their policies are they do not offer free publication. That's why I have to pay. So that's from that day something spiked in my mind, like how is that possible? I can start a website or not? Then after researching for too many days, for 6 months, we came up with the Juice Corpus. So it was a great experience to open a website and connecting with a number of people in my college and around the globe. We have did various things, organized various events and collaborated with one of the prestigious university of IMS Law College Noida and held a webinar in collaboration with that. So I have gained a lot of experience with that, how to connect with others, how to grow, and how to provide the services which could be better for the students who are growing and coming up with this in the first year, in the second year, or want to join the law school. Because after seeing this market of these research papers, publication fee and other competition, they are just like going down. So they are not like to opt like LLB. We are opting LLB. अगर मैं LLB करता हूँ तो मुझे अगर ऐसा करना पड़ेगा तो मुझे पैसा देना पड़ेगा इस चीज का भी उस चीज का. So avoiding these unnecessary expenses, Juice Corpus came with an aim to bring various aspects of law and change under a single umbrella with no publication fee of articles, blogs, and research papers.
Yeah. So it is very easy to hear, because everyone does not come with the free of cost, and also everyone does not also think of it that to provide everything for free, because that there are we also know that the publication is a very important aspect of every law student, right? And every law student also wants that their paper is there in some or other law journals, and everyone is not so determined or so much into it that they could publish in well-known law schools at free of cost. So it is a very good idea that you have started up. So on that, I would like to ask you that how did you think of to grow in this field, because there has been already lot of law journals? So how did you think of that you would grow, and what all strategy did you put in, and what was your team efforts regarding the name of your journal, Juice Corpus?
Shubham, as I have stated earlier, there Juice Corpus charges no publication fee. So this can be a better option that we can grow in this field, because there are n number of journals. We can say that there are 90% journals are charging for their publications. So we can be in the 10% that who don't charge, and we are offering various free events, collaborating with free, doing free, also provide guidance to those who need help in doing anything, like we have then Bhatt sir, Deepti ma'am, Swati ma'am. So they are ready to help any student if he or she want any type of knowledge or information regarding anything in our legal field. My team consists of various members, like we have currently working unit of 40 members. So they motivated us, they motivate us on a continuous basis and help us in promoting our events and joining with other people, so that they can get the benefit of Juice Corpus. Why? What I have faced in my previous years for the publication and other things. So the upcoming generation and the upcoming, like in the first year or in the second year, as I'm in third year, so they don't face these type of hesitation and paying rupees fee after having a quality content. Writing a research paper is a very tough task, because it takes lots of time to write and frame. Like there are citations, Blue Book, as you know, Blue Book citation, they are very tough in framing while writing in the footnoting. So like I am giving an example, a person writes a research paper and goes to X journal for publication. Then X journal says, please provide us rupees 500 for publication. Then automatically the person who writes the paper will be demotivated, because firstly he is continuously working and facing difficulties in writing, because there are while writing the research paper there are very less sources who can give us the idea how to frame a research paper. You can get the Blue Book citations, those kind of citations, but when you search on the internet or any other thing how to write a research paper in a well formatted manner, there are very few things available on the internet also. So it was very tough task to write a research paper and provide a publication fee also. So it will be quite hesitating, and which will bring the pull down the person who is going writing a research paper and wants a publication. So this, after hard work, after my team's hard work, we come up with the Juice Corpus. So Juice Corpus helps them. We are helping, currently we are helping others. We have did 5-7 publication, as we have started 1.5 months before in this lockdown only. So we have held 5 to 7 people for publishing their papers in our journal too. So they are very much happy that we are not charging any rupee for any single penny for publication in our site, and also we are providing free plagiarism report to them, and we are telling the report, our editorial board members provide them the editorial report, see how you can frame, how you can correct these lines, or there are these mistakes you can correct and resend. So I think this can be a good thing among others. It can be differentiated. This corpus can be differentiated by other journals with this view, that we are providing a number of things free of cost to all the students, which will help the legal fraternity not now but in the future, which will be beneficial to us also, that this corpus is doing this and someone like, if you are publishing your paper in our journals free of cost, then automatically tell others, your friends, your peers, that Juice Corpus is a journal where you can publish your papers free of cost. So it will increase our reputation and credibility too, and it will help the students who are working day and night for writing a research paper and getting published free of cost.
Nice idea, Ayush. That is actually a very brilliant idea you have, and you have a great vision, I could see. And you also agree with me that a vision is absolutely necessary for the promotion of anything and to achieve any success in life. So you have a very good vision. So as you have so like a very much good vision of yours, so would also like you that what advice do you have for students who are pursuing law and want to become entrepreneurs? Or currently we have seen that a lot of law students have started their own organizations as well. So what advice you could tell them, and what advice do you want to give from your experience and from your visions?
Huh. In this pandemic lockdown, I have seen that there are n number of websites started, and some of them are ended too. Like they have started 1 month before, but they are not finding any scope in this, and they have ended because they don't have a particular strategy to work. So when you are starting a website or any other thing, like if you're starting a business or journal or anything, firstly you have to research deeply. Take your time and research on a particular topic, particular things. Like I have took 6 months to start a journal, but we can say that there are a number of journals starting within the 15 days, within in a month in this lockdown. So we can say that if you want to start a journal or you want to start something, firstly do research, collect all the data and assemble in a sequential manner so that it can be used for, like if you want to make a website, firstly collect the members whom you want to take into your website or business, or how you will make a website, what will the fonting, what will the, there are n number of things in the website which one don't know, because being a student from a law background, I also don't know various things in our law website. When we were making our website, so when we hired a developer for making our website, we don't know various things. So when one of my friend helped me in doing this research work in how to make an effective website. So it will my advice regarding the starting the website and other things during this lockdown, or those who are going to start their business, I would like to tell that please do research very deeply. uh, Pick every point, do not escape anything. If you want to start something, please do very research on various topic, various fields, how to register it, how the members will be created, what will be the board, how the which content you will publish, whom you will take as a member, who will be the editorial board member, who will the managing board, what you will do. You must, as you have said, we must have a vision before starting something. Yes, one must have a vision and a mission to start something. When you are going to start something, you must have a vision and mission. So I had a vision to start like grow in the journal with the growing my journal Juice Corpus with free publications. So one should go one should go and help and take the help of other your faculties, your seniors, those who are working in this field only. Like if you are in the first year and your senior in the fourth year is doing like this, like having a website, XYZ website, so you can consult him, sir. I want to know how you could start, how we can start a website, what will be the content, how we can run it, because starting a website is not a big task, but running it for a longer time is a very big task. Because one could say that we will start a website and earn something money and we will end up. So behind everything you must have a vision and a mission to start. If you will have a mission, you will go on and go on much, and you must make a strategy. Like we have a strategy, we will do this competition in this month, we will be launching this show, and this will be webinar, and for next month we are planning this. We are planning strategies and making plans for 3 months. Like we are in August, we have planned August, September, October. Till October we have planned every event what we will organize in the upcoming time. So one must take care of the time and utilize the time in a suitable manner. Like if you want to, like you have started, if one has started a website, then he will think, अरे मैंने तो site start कर दी, मैं इसको कैसे आगे चलाऊंगा. So you could consult, or you could wait for a time. Instead of stopping or deleting your site and a journal, canceling your idea, you must wait for some time. You can also research. If you are stuck in that कि अब website तो start हो गई, अब ना मैं पीछे जा सकता हूँ ना आगे, या तो फिर कोई रास्ता यही बचा कि मुझे आगे ही जाना है, तो आप ये कर सकते हैं कि आप इंतजार करें, आप किसी से कंसल्ट करें. देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ लीगल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स प्रेजेंट, like we have a group, there are 100 plus entrepreneurs present, and some of them are from started their journals like me also in the lockdown only. So we can help. If you want any help, you can consult anyone. If no one is providing you any legal help, you can contact Juice Corpus, Secretary, and Memo Pandis. You can go, you can look law legal, etc., etc. So the basic, the conclusion behind this, I want to tell to the entrepreneur, those who want to start their anything. First, make a good research, do a research deeply, and you must have a vision and a mission to complete what you are going to accomplish in the future.
That is a very good suggestion you have given, Ayush, because yeah, you are correct that anything needs a vision also. And yes, the thing is we need to research upon anything. Nothing happens overnight. For everything needs to be done. If you need success, then you need to be planned a year before. Even some says that if you start anything also, you need to be a year before planning in your back of your mind. So that is a very good suggestion you have given, and I hope that the viewers, those who are listening it, would be absolutely agreeing to this point. So on this, would like to also ask you that what were your challenges when you were starting this? Because yes, even I can ask you that still you could have been facing some challenges because you have recently opened up just 2 months back, so you have been facing some challenges as well. So it would be good if you could open up on your challenges so that people can inspire from your challenges as
well. When you are starting something, there are n number of challenges you have to face it. Like when we were going to start this channel, we don't have a developer. We don't know on which pattern like HTML or PHP or WordPress or Wix, on which platform we have to make a website. This is a very big task to search and find on the platform for which we can means our business will grow on that particular. Like when you are making on a HTML or something, it will be tough. It will be using coding. There will be coding for your uploading. So it will be it was my difficult task for us to understand on which platform we can make our website. Rest to whom to take, to whom not to take in our the biggest challenge is that to whom not to take in our journal or in our business. Because once you are hiring something and you are saying no, you have confirmed that कि आपको मैंने आप इस पोस्ट पे होंगे, फिर आप जब उनसे कहते हैं जाके कि नहीं अब आपसे काम नहीं हो पा रहा, then your relation will be ruined in because for business which you have started a month before or 2 months before. So choose your persons whom you want to work with in your organization wisely. Do not do rush for doing कि अरे इसको भी ले लेते हैं, इसको भी ले लेते हैं. Make according to need. Please take the people according to your need, whichever will help you to grow, instead of getting their own benefit. Like there are n number of people working with you, they will think that कि अरे इसका क्या होता है, छोड़ो अपना देख लेते हैं, हमारा काम हो रहा है, हमें क्या मतलब है. So instead of having like this person like an employee, do not hire an employee. You must hire an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur will help you in doing research work. If you are not available, then entrepreneur will manage everything because she will have a vision to do, and she will think like you. Like if you are absent, you are not working on that, you are you are not getting any idea, then she will help you in a continuous manner to that, sir, we will go by this line and we will help you this. That's why when you are choosing, when I was choosing, then it was a very difficult task because we have got 100 plus recruitment for that. So it was quite tough to take 15 students faculty from 100 students and 100 students and 20 faculties around. So it's a big task to everyone to understand that choose your pupils on the managers wisely because they will affect you in future. And another thing, when you are starting something, I feel like I haven't researched too deeply on the procedure of ISSN, because for a journal it is a very big thing to get get an ISSN number and working on it, maintaining the quality of the journal, because I haven't worked long for the ISSN number. And then one of our editorial board member helped me that Ayush, you can go for this, you can take this document and go find out what are the requirement, what are this. So in this quarter, we have hired some people like an entrepreneur and instead of an employee. No one is employed. We are working like a member. We all are member. Like I am the founder and CEO. Then we are not like that कि अगर वो कोई और पोस्ट पे काम कर रहा है, अगर आप हमारे डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर हैं तो आप हमसे छूटे. No, we are respecting everyone. Do respect everyone and work like a team. Do not think that अब मैं तो इतने ऊपर पोस्ट पे आ गया हूँ, मैं तो CEO हूँ, तो अब मैं नीचे वालों से नहीं बात करूंगा, डायरेक्ट कम्युनिकेशन नहीं करूंगा. Do not make a barrier between you and your people. When in the initial stage, 1 month before, there was a communication gap in my organization too. Then the lot of mishappenings, like we are losing in the events, or we are not able to fulfill our requirements too. So we learned from our advisory board. Various members of our advisory board helped us that Ayush, you can go for this. Please do not make a barrier between you and your people. Those who are working in your organization, do not create a barrier, go in between. आप बीच में जाके काम करिए, आप देखिए कैसे काम हो रहा है. जब आप you will be on the ground level, then you will understand how they are working, instead of sitting at one place and do not talking with other members, only providing that orders कि हाँ ये काम हो जाना policy. Because implementation of policy is very easy, but executing it in the ground level was very tough. So when you are working as an entrepreneur and you are CEO or founder or co-founder, when you are at the higher post, then it's my advice to work with your members like a team. Go on the ground level at then on the managerial level and help and see how they are working, how the difficulties they are facing, and how you can overcome their problems by finding the solution, by asking them, sir आपको क्या problem है, आप क्या कैसे करना चाहते हैं, या कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो मुझे बताइए. बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर लाइक when you are at a higher stage and you are acting like you are behaving like a bossy, so then you will face then your business will go down and down by the day. The graph will go continuously decreasing, because there is a when you are having a communication gap between your team members, then it will lead to degradation, or your graph जो है वो आपका डाउन चलता चला जाएगा, वो आपका बढ़ेगा नहीं, क्योंकि members are the pillar. In this corpus we have various members passing, so they all are pillars of this corpus. We are not distinguishing that अरे नहीं तुम तो इस बोर्ड के हो, तुम ये हो. We are I personally am saying to every member that you are the pillar of this corpus, you are not other. So when you are starting a business, there are various, like I have faced a challenge regarding firstly I have faced like in selecting the members, then how to make a website and on which platform we have to make a website. The very crucial thing what you will do on that, like you have made what content you are going to publish is a very important fact. We can't हमको छोड़ नहीं सकते, we can't leave कि अगर आप वेबसाइट चला रहे हैं तो क्या उसको पब्लिश करेंगे, क्या कंटेंट होगा, कौन सी टीम मेंबर कहाँ पे कहाँ जाएगा. तो ये सब बहुत सारी बेसिक चीजें जो लोग भूल जाते हैं. जब आप कोई चीज स्टार्ट करते हैं तो आप बेसिक चीजों को बहुत छोड़ते हैं कि अरे छोड़िए बाद में इसको हम वी विल ओवरकम इट बाय हैविंग वन वी विल हैविंग आवर टीम वी विल ओवरकम एवरी प्रॉब्लम. नो, you have to think about the problems which you can face in the future with your actions which you are doing in the present. So choose everything wisely and do not do anything in the hurry burry. When you are doing something in hurry, then there are 95% chances you will आपसे मिस्टेक हो जाएगी. अगर आप इतनी जल्दी में कोई काम करेंगे तो आपसे जरूर मिस्टेक हो जाएंगे. देयर इज लाइक एवरीवन हैज हर्ड अ स्टोरी ऑफ ए tortoise and a rabbit. A rabbit is running fast and fast, but tortoise is going very slow. But after when rabbit was in the between the distance, the rabbit thought कि अरे वो तो कछुआ है, बहुत धीरे चलता है, ये तो हम चलो सो लेते हैं यहीं पे फिर आगे चले जाएंगे. So there आप कछुए की चाल चलिए, कोई जरूरत नहीं है कि आपको बहुत तेजी जाएंगे तभी आपको सक्सेस मिलेगी. नहीं, अगर आप धीरे भी जाएंगे तभी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आई हैव अ पर्टिकुलर फंडामेंटल हिंदी आई हैव रिटन, राह संघर्ष की ओर चलता है वही देश को बदलता है. राह संघर्ष की ओर चलता है वही देश को बदलता है. जिसने जंग जीती है रातों में वही शूर बन के निकलता है. तो हार्ड वर्क विद स्मार्ट वर्क इज द की टू सक्सेस. Instead of working hard like an employee, just work hard with smart work and be an entrepreneur and work, and your organization will certainly and definitely will grow.
Yeah, your talks are quite inspirational, Ayush, let me tell you, because a lot of them would get actually benefited by your talks, because from your challenges, how your vision is. Your vision is quietly like open up when we are talking about this. Actually, it is a very interesting thing that we are talking about this thing generally, which other don't do, and which is quite we should know about each other, right? We should know each other about each other, and we should also tell our viewers that what needs to be done, what's need not to be done. But then again, I would like to ask you that what was your friends reaction, your peers reaction, your batchmates reaction when they found out that Juice Corpus Journal is started by you, Ayush, and you've been doing very great. So, what was their reaction? How did they feel? How did they congratulate you? And what were emotions, or and how your parents even feeling that? Because at the end of the day, yeah, your parents must be proud of you.
Yeah, when I have started the journal, like there are, when anything has a positive side, there is a negative side too. So I adopted the positivity of that. When my classmates, my colleagues come to know that I have started a journal, they are very happy that I came with a big platform for the students with this great vision, like providing the free education, a free legal education, free publication to the students who are unable to get the publication. Because in our college, it is mandatory thing that you have to publish your papers, because it will enhance your research skill as well as the writing skills too. So when I came with this idea and started a website, my college helped me a lot in growing us. Like in the current date, we have approx 7,000 visitors a day reach. We have crossed approx 70,000 visitors in 1 month. So it was a great experience to start this corpus and getting the full support, motivational, and in every manner from my family, my friends, and colleagues. And I would like to especially mention Mr. Parishkar sir, who helped me a lot in day and night when I called sir, मुझे ये problem फंस रही है सर कैसे करूँ. Sir helped me in each and every manner, in each and every task to schedule everything, to get to cope up, to come up with the new idea, to come up with like we can make this way, we can do like this. And my friends, three of my friends helped me from a very starting. From very starting, three of my friends helped, like Sakshi, Pranjal, and Snail. They helped me in doing everything when I was quite feeling low कि अरे चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा, but they motivated me in every manner. Like they are my family. They treated me like a family and helped me in growing my channel. And currently we are having the n number of people working. We are providing n number of competitions to market with the free of cost. We have organized various quiz competitions and webinars free of cost. But we have paid from our side. We have also provided cash prizes to those members who are unable to pay the fee. Like if you are going to other sites and etc., they are charging fee, but we don't charge any fee for that competition. And we have provided cash prizes. They are very happy that अरे जूस कॉर्पस में आप अगर कोई कंपटीशन कराएंगे तो वहां पे जो है आपको कंपटीशन करते हैं, अगर किसी में पार्ट लेते हैं तो ऐसा भी होता है कि आपको फ्री में पार्ट लें, ऊपर से आपको कैश प्राइजेस भी मिले. So they were very happy. We have increased our reach day by day because my friends helped me a lot. They are taking interest in Juice Corpus, as I was the first or the second person who started this journal in our college. So it was a great experience to know the views about my faculties, my dean sir, and my colleagues, my friends too, that अरे आयुष तुमने इतना अच्छा काम start किया है, we are with you. If you want any help, come to us. We will help you in each and every manner. So having a support from your peers and friends, it
it will help you like you are flying, you are sitting in an aeroplane and one is watching from the ground, that's हाँ वो हवा में उड़ रहा है.
That is very nice to hear. Actually, you have got very positive people around. Ayush, let me say you by your talks, I feel that you actually got very positive people around you. So it must be a very good scene, because yes, everyone doesn't have that positivity mindset of everyone around you, because you know that generally sometimes when you do good, some people start feeling very jealousy about you and they just try to pull your leg back. But again, you have got very positive back to support, and I hope that you have to maintain this, and I hope this maintains for a very long time. On this, I would also like to ask that what are your plans for the future? How are you seeing Juice Corpus after a period of time, after a certain period of time?
As we have recently applied for ISN number, so we will be a ISN referee general after some time. Then we have a plan to make it a law firm or something else. I would not love to disclose this what we are going to take this corpus, but surely we will be having this as a journal. We will be after getting the ISN, we will go on the impact factor, the indexing, and we have the basic and foremost dream to get the UGC referee journal as this corpus law journal. So we want every member of the JUS corpus want that the JUS corpus should be a UGC referee journal. It's our the first and the last dream about the JUS corpus. Rest I would not love to disclose about that.
Yeah, certainly, because you are also starting, you are also growing. So it's quite good to know that you have actually has a vision to have a UGC recognized journal. That is actually a very great dream, because apart from monetary benefits, you are looking the benefits of the law students, of the legal fraternity. You want to serve the legal fraternity, and that's very good to know. That's very good to know. And so we'll also like to ask that what is your routine work for your website, because you know that every website needs to be handled properly, needs a regular visit, needs to be handled on a way to like that it is properly managed. So how do you manage everything? How do you manage your because you are also in third year, so you have your studies as well. So how do you manage everything? How you manage your website and everything?
In this lockdown, we have a lot of time as our online classes are going on. So we have I have 9 to 5 routine classes daily on a daily basis. So when I am using our website for the maintenance in the very morning. Like I am getting up at 7 and I am working on it at 7 to 8 a.m. Then after my classes in the night from 8 p.m. I am giving 3 hours, 8 to 11 on my website. Currently, I am sparing and giving 4 hours on my website because I am handling only. I have not provided my website to handle to anyone else. I am only me is handling my website. So while we are studying and we have to handle our website, because as a founder and CEO, I have to manage. I have to see every aspect of the every aspect which is going to every aspect which we are which in our JUS corpus is going to held or which JUS corpus member is doing. So it's a critical task for everyone who is a law student. Like if you're a professional, then you can manage, you can have an assistant to work. But being a law student, you can't have an assistant to work. लो भाई तुम इसको संभाले नहीं. You can't have an assistant. So you can, if you are having this much classes, you can take out some time for that. Do not spend your full time on that, because studies comes first. I have a basic idea behind this, and I have a basic plan that studies comes first, then JUS corpus, because आप अपनी पढ़ाई को रोक के इसको नहीं ले जा सकते. So आपको we have to concentrate on studies too. So one can spend maximum 3 hours in a day. And I am currently spending 4 hours. Like we are not having this time in internals during this lockdown. And in the current time, we don't have any exam or anything else after classes. I am managing. I'm not taking any internship, not doing any internship, not taking any project for this, because before starting this, I was working on a project with various prestigious organizations and doing internship at various organizations. So it was quite difficult when you are growing, like when you are in the second year, when you are going to third, fourth, fifth year. Then it was a critical task to manage the website by side by side when you are in study. So my advice to the entrepreneurs who are going to start their websites and other channels, first make, like, decide how you will manage when you will when you will go in your senior, when you will go from second year to third year to third year to fourth year. Then you have a shortage of time because the course is very broad and law never ends. So you have to manage everything. So before starting, must think about what you will do in future. It will be like we have two people who are I am teaching how to handle our website, so that when I will be not available, or I was not available, they can handle it. So one can 2-3 hours in a day max to max, and not much more than, because it will create it will create an stress in your mind that अरे आज ये कर लेते हैं, अभी ये कर लेते हैं, ये टास्क रहेगा, इसको अपलोड करना था, ये करना था, वो करना था. तो इससे जो है आपको बच के रहना, थोड़ा सा कम टाइम पे देना, ताकि अपनी पढ़ाई को ज्यादा टाइम दे सके. With this talk show, I would like to say that from my opinion, that one should concentrate on your studies first. If you are able to do that, then you can start your business or journal or website or anything else. Because अगर आपके पास आपने अच्छे से आप पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे, if you are not studying, then आपका ये जर्नल या कुछ भी कोई काम नहीं आएगा.
That is a very nice suggestion, Ayush, because there are a lot of other platforms, and there are a lot of my friends as well who have also thought of lot of things to do, and they have all opened up that how that due to the things they have started, due to the platforms they have started, they have quite started less focusing on the study part. So it is very necessary that you also have your studies part going on, and you also have your web platform going on, and everything going on in a very smooth way. So I will also like to ask you a very last question, and also a question that would also like our viewers are also waiting for. That question would be that how are you thinking that thinking that you will be growing in future by adding the law students along with you, like how the law students apart from the whole country can join with you, how what suggestion you can give to them, and what else you can do for them in future, in coming future.
We are planning, like if one wants anything regarding your studies, one can mail us, or we are adding this feature on our website. If you want anything which you haven't learned or you want to know, you can directly contact us with free of cost. We will not charge anything. You have to just tell the topic, and we will provide you every material by our by doing research with our editorial board members and our team members. हम आपको जो है उसको फ्री में जल्दी से जल्दी प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करेंगे, ताकि आपके वो कोर्स में बेनिफिट है, और जिस चीज के लिए आप चाहते हैं उसमें भी आपको हेल्प करे आपको. क्योंकि देखिए हमारा बेसिक पर्पस ऑफ दिस कॉर्पस इज टू प्रोवाइड फ्री लीगल सर्विसेज. नॉट आई डोंट वांट टू अर्न मनी विद दिस कॉर्पस, आई सिंपली वांट टू डू दैट कि हमारा भी काम चलता रहे. बाकी लॉ स्टूडेंट को सबसे ज्यादा फायदा उस चीज में, क्योंकि अगर हम भी कोई छोटा सा भी कंट्रीब्यूशन कोई अच्छाई में दे जाते हैं, तो वो सामने वाला जो है वो कहेगा जरूर कि हाँ, जिस कॉर्पस ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आपको फ्री चीजें मिल जाती हैं, आप फ्री में अपना इवेंट पब्लिश करा सकते हो, वहाँ पे फ्री में पेपर पब्लिश करा सकते हो, और आपको कोई अगर चीज चाहिए, आपके मटेरियल आपको कहीं इंटरनेट पे भी नहीं मिल रहा है. We have various research scholars with us, joined with us, have broad bifurcation of the content writers. Some are assistant professors, some are corporate counsels too. We have content writers. So we can provide the detailed information about the topic which you want to get the information about by us also. So if one want to join this corpus, one can be as a campus ambassador. We are recruiting members for the content writer, designing team, media team, and as a managing board, editorial board member, one can join this. There are n number of things in this corpus where one can join. हाँ, I can say that एक time पे ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हो सकते हैं, but you can join. We are providing the opportunity to one by one to everyone. Like once we have recruited 15 pupils out of 120 people. Then this month, after we are having a tenure of 2 months, the member which is joining, we are having the tenure for 2 months. Then we are ending that division and adding new members from that also, from that recruitment also, that so that they can think, हाँ इसमें अगर हमने अप्लाई किया था कभी, तो हमको भले ही 3 महीने बाद अपॉर्चुनिटी वो मिल रही है लेकिन मिली है. So it's a good thing that one will get a positivity and a positive idea about this corpus, that this corpus is doing this in a such a great manner. And there are a number of positions we are launching every month. But we do not do paid promotion. Like we do not say कि लीजिए सर हमारा promotion कर दीजिए, हमारे में लोग आ जाएं, join हो जाएं. We are not doing anything. If you want to join this corpus, you can directly mail us at thiscorpus@gmail.com, or you can directly contact on the given numbers on our various posters, banners. So you can contact and join us. We will be happy if the people and the law students and the freshers will join this corpus as a content writer or in any of the boards. We will be happy that we will serve the different students from different colleges at different places. At last, I would like to thank to my whole team for helping me and getting this, and we are having this much reach. It's all credit goes to my team, my Parishkar sir, Trishla ma'am, and Pooja ma'am, Smriti ma'am, those who helped me in every aspect and every manner for in starting, from the starting until date. They are helping me. We have some backups like Sakshi, Pranjal, and Snail. They are currently helping us to join. They are recruiting members. They are saying, Ayush, hum ye kar sakte hain. We are collaborating with different colleges, different organizations to promote this with the free of cost. And we are providing at our best, like we are providing, making certificates for those and providing paid Zoom platform from our side. We are providing everything whichever we have. Like अगर हमारे पास कुछ है तो अगर आपको कोई बेनिफिट हो रहा है तो ठीक है, आप हमसे ले लीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. This corpus is always ready to serve. We don't have a tagline because we haven't decided tagline because we want that कि कोई भी आए कभी भी आए, we are ready to serve. This is a simple tagline and a slogan for this corpus, and from the member of the Juice Corpus to everyone, that Juice Corpus is always ready to serve in any manner. In which manner you want Juice Corpus to help you, we are ready to do so.
Nice, Ayush. It is actually very nice and enlightening to know, and I hope that our viewers are just loving this show because you've been you're an absolute gem, I would like to say, because the way you are handling the things and the vision you have to serve the law students at great, the legal fraternity, and you're giving everything free, and you are just wanting that the law students to grow, the legal fraternity to grow, and let me tell you, that's a very, very, very less students or very less in the legal fraternity actually think of. So we hope that Juice Corpus make a very good name in the near future, and we hope that everyone comes to know about Juice Corpus, and this thing just goes on, and we have a very good platform coming coming in the near future. We like to see that Juice Corpus standing high, holding the flag very high. Thanks Ayush for joining us. I hope you would have liked with us.
Thank you so much.